All right, boys and girls, here we are with day 17 of our May daily math. Number 1 says write 3 odd numbers that have a 6 in the tens place. So let's go hundreds, tens, ones. These all have to be odd, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 3, 5, 9. It has to have a 6 in the tens place. And this could be anything. 8, 6, 4. There you go. 3 numbers. 863, 665, 469. All right. Write 4 sets of equivalent fractions. Use the fraction bars to help. So I kind of drew the fraction bars there a little bit. And 2 sets of equivalent fractions. So here's 1 piece and 2 pieces, right? So there's 1 half. What else does 1 half equal or is equivalent to? Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one has 4 equal pieces. So 1, 2 out of those 4 equal pieces. And this one, for the line right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 half also equals 4 eighths. And if 1 half is equivalent to 2 fourths and 1 half is equivalent to 4 eighths, we also know that 2 fourths is equivalent to 4 eighths. It's all the same on this line right here. All right, now that's only 3. It said to do 4. So let's try this one. Here's 1 out of 4 pieces for this line. Okay, so there's 1 out of 4, and that's equivalent to 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could also do this line for an extra. That's 1, 2, 3 fourths out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. And we also could say 2 out of 2 is equivalent to 4 out of 4, which is equivalent to 8 out of 8. We got a lot of options there. Any of those are fine. Great work. Okay. Number 3, you have 43 strawberries to share equally among 5 friends. How many strawberries will each friend get? Okay, so we got to go, how many times does 5 go into 43? Well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 43, so 45 would be too much. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Each friend will get 8 strawberries. Okay? How many strawberries are left over? 8 strawberries. How many are left over? Well, we had 40, so there's 43 strawberries. So 43 minus the 40 is 3 strawberries left over. We'll write 3 left over on there, okay? All right. It is 5:44. And what is another way you could say this? So there's 5:44. Okay? Another way we could say this is blank minutes before blank. So if it's blank minutes before blank, we want to count forward until we get to here with our minute hand. So there's 5, 10, 15, and one more makes 16 minutes until 6 o'clock. So 16 minutes before 6 o'clock. Some people will just say 5:45, a quarter till 6. But to be a little more precise, since it's 5:44, we're going to say 16 minutes. So it's about 5:45. Okay, last one here, number 5. Write less than, greater than, or equal to. We have 8 over 8 and 8 over 1. Well, I'm going to look back at this. Here's 8 over 8. As if we filled that in one time, every box was filled in, it would be 8 out of 8. Okay? Now, let's say there's another line, and I'm going to draw it right here. Okay? And that whole box is just 1. Okay, that's 1 out of 1, right? There's 1 box and there's 1 there. So 1 out of 1. But we got 8 over 1. So we would have 8 of these. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are not the same. There's a lot more with 8 over 1 than there is 8 over 8. Okay? So 8 over 8 is less than 8 over 1. 8 over 1 is much larger. All right, boys and girls, thank you much. We'll see you tomorrow.